Okay. Well, it's beautiful. Clearly, you know what you're doing, as I see all these trophies and awards behind me. So, congratulations. Obviously, renovations do also come with a budget. How do you help your clients manage a budget? What are some of the things that they should be expecting to ask anyone who is interested in a renovation or design?
Budgets are critical.
Absolutely.
This particular home we did here, the budget was very big, but there was still a budget.
Mm-hmm.
And I think that's what people don't always understand, is just because people have a lot of money doesn't mean they just always throw it away.
Right.
You still need a budget. So whether you're doing a bathroom or an entire home, there should be a budget. What we try to do, and it's something we developed over the years of being in here, because we'd start working on a design with somebody and we get through this beautiful design process, and it's 3 months later and they've spent a bunch of money in design, and we go, great, here it is, and your project's going to cost X dollars. At that point they like
right.
almost faint, and we go, I could never afford that.
Yeah. How do you prepare someone, a client, for that?
We came up with a plan and said, why should budgeting come at the end?
Yes.
So we pushed it right to the front. So because we're a design build firm, we have this ability to price projects and put stuff into place right in the beginning. So when we start a design, we start with a nice, simple, easy to manage design proposal. So we're going to group a design, we're going to look at it with the client, we're going to come up with some ideas, and we're going to put a price tag to those ideas at the very beginning, so that we go in at a fixed price, go in, measure the place, do some initial drawings, pull this together, meet with the client, give them idea what they want, and then give them a budget.